Today we are here to discuss on this our welding design. So let us start the program. So welding process. So welding process, you all may be aware that how many types of welding process. Welding process is generally when we are using welding to join the two metals. So there are different types of weldings available. One is oxyacetylene, that is we are telling that gas welding, generally in layman language we say gas welding. Another there is shielded metal arc welding, then gas metal arc welding, GTAW, that is gas tungsten arc welding. So all these after this oxyacetylene 4 are this arc welding type, means it is a electric welding where with the electric power we generate the arc. So in all those four, you see AW is common in the name, that is SMAW, GMAW, GTAW, SAW. So AW is for arc welding, and the first two alphabet are for type of welding, means shielded metal arc welding. So it is a metal is getting shielded. Gas metal, that is metal is shielded with gas. In gas tungsten is a tungsten electrode what we are using, and then gas is providing the cover. And submerged arc welding, where arc is submerged into the flux. Then other welding types are electroslag welding, then electron beam welding, the new it is started, and the laser beam welding, it is now being famous now. Other than this, we are having a stud type welding, stud welding. So stud machines are coming. That is a resistance type of welding. Then electron beam welding we have seen. Friction welding, we are seeing that food cans what we are getting, so that is being joined by friction welding. Then there is a resistance welding, so where the two metals are being pressed and then it is tagged, like in our olden times when we were using this steel almiras, so those were welded by this resistance welding. Then there is a explosive bonding. So explosive bonding is to join the two metal, like if you are having experience in clad metal, means two type of metals are being joined together. Generally in pressure vessels manufacturing, we are using this clad plates, which is welded by this explosive bonding. Then there is another joining technique is brazing, which is a torch brazing, furnace brazing, induction brazing. So there are different type of brazings available. And shouldering, what we are doing this, many times some electronics item you see shoulders are being used to join the wire, thin wires. So these are the basically joining processes which we are using. So we are concentrating on first welding. Okay, so in welding we will see one is that weld joint and one is that joint type, means weld type and joint type. There are two different nomenclature being used. So joint type means it will show the type of joint, like if here in screen if you see butt weld is there, so there are two parts are abutting together, so that is called butt weld. In the lap joint if you see, there is a one metal is overlapping on another, so that type of joint is considered as a lap joint or named as a lap joint. Then there is a corner joint where the corners of two metals are being brought together and being joined. Then there is a edge joint where the two edges of the metal is brought together and being joined. And in T joint, two metals make the T shape, so it is called T joint. So these are some of the joint type. This is not the weld type. Okay, so first is joint type, then we will see the weld type